Hi guys, today we're making cha kreung pork ribs, a classic Cambodian lemongrass stir-fry packed with aroma, color, and bold Khmer flavors. We'll start by preparing the kreung, Cambodian lemongrass paste. You can use red kreung or the yellow kreung. Both versions work beautifully. And if you never made kreung before, I've linked my full step-by-step guide in the description below. Let's prepare the rest of our ingredients. To give the dish more contrast and balance with the pork ribs, I'm adding Khmer eggplants, sweet peppers, and a couple of jalapeños. These are all optional. Feel free to use any bell peppers you like or keep it simple with just the kreung. For the protein, you can use pork, chicken, duck, or even beef. Today I'm using about 3 to 4 pounds of pork ribs, cut into smaller pieces so they cook evenly and absorb that beautiful lemongrass flavor. Start with a hot wok or pan and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add your kreung. Let it sizzle and bloom, and that's how you unlock all those fragrant aromatics. As soon as your kreung becomes fragrant, add in the pork ribs. Stir to coat every piece evenly. A little sugar, a splash of fish sauce, a spoonful of oyster sauce, and a small amount of chicken bouillon to bring out that savory umami. Cook on medium-high heat, adding a splash of water as needed to prevent charring and to help the ribs cook through. Let everything simmer and fry until the liquid reduces and the ribs are tender and glistering. Once the sauce is nearly dried, add your vegetables and stir fry until they reach that perfect semi-tender texture. Finish with hot basil for the signature aroma that completes every good cha kreung dish. Serve hot over rice and enjoy the beautiful balance of lemongrass, heat, sweetness, and savory depth. A true taste of Cambodian home cooking.